All right, we are at another building in Bloomingdale. This is 301 Army Trail Road, I think. 303 Army Trail Road. And, looks like we have something interesting in here. Looks like a glass elevator. Ooh. Look at this. This is neat. All right, let's give it a ride. Oh, there's two. Huh. Oh, look, here it comes. We'll watch it. I don't want to walk back and trip over like a chair or something. Nice. This is going to be cool. Custom Otis hydraulic, custom LRVs. These actually might be LRSs, not LRV. If I'm being honest. Yeah, I think these are LRS. Yeah, LRS. Back down. Look, they got red brails. I don't know if they painted them or they actually got the brails custom red. But I like that. That's a nice touch. We'll look out the window, Out the window that's outside of the window. Stopping at 3. Boy, this takes a second to level. Going down. Out. What? Yes. Have a nice day. Tell you what, we send this one up, and we'll take a ride on the other car. These are actually really awesome. I really like these. Slam. It's about to be here. This car looks a little brighter than the others. Let's watch out this way again. We'll look out this side. See out this window here, see what we can see. It's a little bit lit up out there, so you can kind of see out it. That's Army Trail Road right there that the cars are on. These are honestly really nice. They used custom panels. They didn't use the regular Series 1. They used custom Series 1 panels. Regular flush ones. Also want to point out, look at these little windows. Oh, well, there goes that one. Goodbye. Okay then. Oh, it's calling. Look at that. I love the way, this is such a nice design. Like, look, they tucked the rollers in there nicely. That kind of sticks out, but still. This is such a nice design. Let's watch this go down. These look really good though. They did a great job on this. Maybe that one just parked? I don't know. I think it just parked. I didn't even hear the doors open. All right. And that one's coming back up. Going down. You going down? One?
Yes.
Thank you. No problem. Send this one up, and then we'll get a view of the outside of it going up. Anyway, oh, look at that little, I like that little triangle design they got up there. Such a neat building. Anyway, that will be it.